Hello guys, got here the new Colorado 2024. This is the Trail Boss edition. It's a 4x4. Came with a 2-inch lift, I believe. And on today's video, I will be showing y'all. Obviously, I got load on this truck, and it's something I recommend on all trucks. Now, I went ahead and changed the stock springs, so you can see right here. They're not that big. They're about, I'll say 3-4 inches. And the new ones I put, they're right there. As you can see, they're about 3-4 times bigger, and the truck doesn't even go down as much. They're really helpful. I paid about $500-600. They have some other cheaper ones, but these ones are the top heavy duty ones. Really recommend them. I'll leave a link in the description, and then that way y'all could just go ahead and buy them, especially if you're going to be towing, adding a trailer to your truck plus load and all that. Just a quick tip, guys. If you like this video, stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. Thanks.